people. Me llamo es Jaime. Esta es Paco. Hi, Paco.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
We're going to sing a song for you. You ready, Paco?
Sí, ready.
Okay, let's hit it.
Okay, ready. Uno,
Dos,
tres.
Azul, blanco, rojo, violeta, amarillo, anaranjado, verde y rosa. Uno más, one more time. Azul, blanco, rojo, violeta, amarillo, anaranjado, verde y rosa. ¡Ay, ay, ay, ay! Oh, hit it, Paco, hit it. Oh, that's my groove, Paco. Play it. Oh. I love Mexico. It is my favorite place. I see my mommy there. She gives me tacos and a warm embrace. I love my mama and my papi. Se llamo Juan Jorge Borquito. My mother is Juanita. She is very nice. This is Paco. He is very nice. I am Jaime. I am kind of nice. Sometimes we like to sing, we like to dance, we like to make them songs. I think we're done, Paco. We're done, Paco.
No, I dance.
Paco,
Yes.
why?
Hey, sorry. Lo siento.
Pero
Papustaki! Were we recording?
how do I stop it?
I don't think we were recording.
Oh fuck! Wait, what?
Wait, are we?
I don't know. If it did, I cussed. How do I stop it? How do I stop it? Mary,
Press stop.
where's that? I don't think we're. I don't know. It says clip 1. Wait. How do you stop it? How do you stop it? I don't know how. It says like I don't know.
Here, click on that thing right there. That one. Right, that one. That way? Yes, that. Okay.
Oh, it's not going. Wait, come on! I hate. Set? Cancel? What do I do? Set?
Here, cancel. Press cancel. And let's redo it.
Well, can we play this one or no? Is it over here? I don't like this mouse!
Doesn't look like you.